Hi friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making air fryer roasted broccoli. The first step to making this recipe would be to cut the broccoli into small pieces. And when I cut my pieces, I will be putting them in the air fryer basket. Once I finish cutting the broccoli, I will add olive oil, salt, and pepper. So first olive oil. Salt and pepper, and you can add any seasonings you like. Now let's toss it to coat it evenly with olive oil. And we will put it in the air fryer. And now we're going to set the temperature to 375 degrees. And we'll set the time to 12 minutes. When the broccoli has finished cooking halfway through, so when there's about 8 minutes left, we're going to take out the basket and shake it to distribute it evenly and put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious, perfectly roasted broccoli. It looks delicious. At 375 degrees for 12 minutes in the air fryer. It doesn't get easier than that. For a printable recipe and more air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.